Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change your phone number in your Google account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to here my phone settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google profile. Then proceed to your Google account. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to search Google account. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for phone. So right here, click on phone. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the phone number that you would like to change. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this pencil icon and enter a new phone number. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your phone number in Google accounts. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you